Delian Capital, a leading Chinese VC firm specializing in early to growth stage investments in high-tech sectors. Founded in 2011 and headquartered in Beijing, the firm has built a diversified portfolio of over 100 companies spanning biopharmaceuticals, medical devices, diagnostics, and digital health platforms. Delian's healthcare strategy is centered around early-stage investments in companies from seed to Series B rounds. They focus on companies with global scalability, and they prioritize technological innovation such as AI, gene therapy, and precision diagnostics. Over the past 5 years, Delian Capital's top 3 healthcare investments have been Core Medical Technology, a Shenzhen-based MedTech company that developed one of the world's lightest and smallest artificial hearts using magnetic levitation. Delian's early investment supported the company's product development and clinical validation, which culminated in successful pediatric implants and a substantial Series D funding round. The company has since demonstrated strong clinical efficacy and commercial potential, making it one of the most exciting artificial heart projects worldwide. 𝗕𝗘𝗟𝗦𝗧𝗛𝗟𝗏 Biology Co., Limited, a diagnostic technology firm specializing in oncology and immunology using mass cytometry. Delian Capital led a Series B round that accelerated the development of its precision diagnostic platform. This investment has already yielded high returns as the company has secured commercial partnerships and advanced multiple product lines toward regulatory clearance. 𝗕𝗘𝗟𝗏𝗧𝗛𝗟𝗏 Pharmaceuticals, a biopharma company focused on developing antibiotics for drug-resistant infections. Delian invested in an early round, backing a hybrid US-China R&D model that enabled fast-track development and regulatory progression. Its lead compound has progressed into late-stage trials with global licensing potential, providing a strong return on investment for early backers. For each of these investments, Delian employed tailored due diligence approaches. For Core Medical Technology, they evaluated the scalability and safety of the artificial heart technology, conducted thorough regulatory landscape reviews to assess global approval strategies, and analyzed the unmet need for pediatric artificial hearts in domestic and international markets. For 𝗕𝗘𝗟𝗦𝗧𝗛𝗟𝗏 Biology, Delian assessed the scientific validity and differentiation of the diagnostic platform, reviewed intellectual property and patent protections, and benchmarked clinical performance against competing diagnostics. For 𝗕𝗘𝗟𝗏𝗧𝗏 Pharmaceuticals, they evaluated the scientific rationale and preclinical data for the lead antibiotic assets, studied regulatory pathways in both China and the US, and modeled the global commercial potential of the company's pipeline. From 2020 to 2025, Delian Capital concentrated its healthcare capital deployment on seed to Series B rounds to maximize early-stage leverage. Check sizes typically ranged from 500K to 10 meters, with an average of 2 to 3 million per investment, based on company maturity and capital needs. Over 60% of capital was allocated to healthcare investments, followed by AI and manufacturing. The firm has achieved notable exits through IPOs, M&A, and secondary transactions, although the majority of its healthcare portfolio companies are still in growth mode. To optimize fund structure and investor returns, Delian has structured deals to preserve founder alignment and key stakeholder equity positions, ensuring all parties benefit from the success of the portfolio companies. In terms of board participation, Delian has actively engaged with many portfolio companies, providing strategic oversight and support in areas such as corporate governance, talent acquisition, and fundraising. Many investments include performance metrics, such as milestones, linked to funding to incentivize strong performance and mitigate risk. Approximately 60% of the capital has been deployed upfront, with the remaining 40% paid out in milestones. This approach allows Delian to validate core technology upfront while providing additional capital for scaling and de-risking later in the investment horizon. In conclusion, Delian Capital has established itself as a leading healthcare venture capital firm in China. With its disciplined due diligence process, strong technical insight, and long-term commitment to innovation, the firm has successfully backed many high-growth companies that are poised to make significant contributions to the advancement of medical technology and healthcare accessibility. As Delian continues to invest in and support these trailblazing companies, it is well positioned to deliver strong returns for its investors while driving positive change in the industry. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.